Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video lecture, we have introduced the concept of e-commerce. In that, we have seen the definition, then evolution, and some basic principles by using which one can increase the productivity of e-commerce website. In today's video lecture, we will see different types of e-commerce companies. Before starting explaining these all types, I suggest you to please be attentive while understanding the first type of e-commerce company, because by understanding it well, you will be able to correlate this with other types, and it will you will be able to remember these all types for longer time. So let's start. The very first type of e-commerce company is B2B. In this, one business establishes transaction with another business. Let's understand it by using one example. Consider the industry of pharmaceutical. In this industry, consider that there are two segments. That in first segment, the companies who manufactures raw material used for the production of tablets and capsules takes place, and in the second segment, the companies which manufactures the finished product, that is capsules and tablets, exist. So the companies which manufactures raw material will approach to the B2B type of e-commerce website. He enrolled that company enrolled itself on that website and market their product over there. And the company which requires raw material to manufacture finished good approach that website, find the required material. If that company satisfy with particular product which fulfill its needs and wants, then that e-commerce website help it to establish connection with the manufacturer of raw material. Means after establishing the connection, getting overall information about the manufacturer of raw material, the finished good manufacturer directly contact to the manufacturer of raw material. So the B2B type of e-commerce website plays the part of intermediary which connects two different businesses to establish business relationship. IndiaMart, Alibaba are the very common and popular example of B2B type of e-commerce companies. The next type is B2C. It is one of the most common type of e-commerce company in which businesses sales its products and services to the consumer with the help of e-commerce platform. Here, businesses register and market their product on that e-commerce website, and when consumer wants to purchase something online, he again approach the website, see all the products and services available over there, and if he satisfy with particular product, then he will book his order on this website. Then next there is two possibility, that website may contact business and tell the business to deliver product to the consumer directly, means from business to consumer, or there can be the possibility that website itself facilitates the services of delivering product of business to the consumer. So in this both way, the product can be transact to consumer, and in the same way the money or the value of product or services will be transact to business. Like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra are the common examples and popular examples of B2C type of e-commerce company. Now, the next one is C2C type of e-commerce, in which one consumer sells his particular product or services to other consumer. Means transaction between two consumers takes place with the use of intermediary C2C type of e-commerce website. So OLX, eBay, Quikr, Car Dekho are the very common examples of C2C type of website in which one consumer able to buy or sell his product or service to other consumer. Now, the next type of e-commerce company is C2B type. This is a latest type of e-commerce company in which business purchase product or service from the consumer with the help of this e-commerce website platform, e-commerce platform. This Fiverr, Upwork are the world-class platform, e-commerce platforms which provides B2C type of B2C type of transactions. There are so many consumers which provided different software and website designing services. Some produces handmade products and articles. So that products are sold by consumers and bought by businesses. So this type of transaction takes place in C2B type of e-commerce companies. Now these four means B2B, B2C, C2C and C2B. These all four types of e-commerce companies are very primary. This all primary in nature. There is one more special type of e-commerce company which is government or public administration e-commerce company, in which B2G, that is business to government, then C2G, that is citizen or consumer to government, and G2C means government to citizen transactions takes place. In the very first type, that is in B2G type of transaction, businesses whose activities are completely focused to serve to different government agencies establishes transaction with the government by using online portal or e-commerce websites. Mostly defense company means the companies who provides the products and services related to defense areas are come under this type of e-commerce companies. The next one is C2G, that is citizen or consumer to government. Let's understand it with the example that every year government organizes different kinds of examinations. So for enrolling in that examination and paying the fees, consumers or citizens have to follow the path of filling the form on particular website. That website actually acts as an e-commerce platform or e-commerce portal which establishes the transaction between citizen and government. Also, for paying different kinds of tax C2G type of e-commerce platforms are utilized. The next one is G2C, that is government to citizens. The case means in previous case we have seen that citizen pays to government in G2C in C2G, whereas in G2C government pays to citizens, means government pays different types of subsidies and tax deduction to the consumer with the help of G2C type of e-commerce websites. So this is all about the different types of e-commerce websites. I hope you understand this all and you will be now you are able to bifurcate different e-commerce companies into these five types of in five categories. So this is all about it. In the next video lecture we will see the different models of e-commerce companies. Till then, be safe and keep learning. Thank you.